uNkulunkulu uthi yekela ukuthemba abaqambi manga. Yekela ukuthemba abantu abaqamba amanga. Stop trusting the words that lie. And kukuphi la akhuluma ngamazwi aqamba amanga khona? I want us to go to Jeremiah. Jeremiah chapter 7. Muthi ufunda uJeremiah chapter 7. uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma lapha through Jeremiah. Uyasho ukuthi Jeremiah ufika phambi kwale ndawo abayibiza ngegama lami. Angithi kunendawo abayibiza ngegama lami, leli tempele lababalibiza ngegama lami. Ufika lapho phambi kwegate ubatshela ukuthi leli tempele bathi tempele la kaNkulunkulu, this temple, that temple, this temple, akusilona itempele la kaNkulunkulu. So obaba omkhulu bethu, okhokho bethu, they were lied to, saying ukuthi itempele la kaNkulunkulu, when they look for God, they must look externally, so but not internal. Not internal. Akhulume lapha ke uNkulunkulu through Jeremiah. Ngizoqala ku verse 22. Asho ke lapha athi, for I did not speak to your fathers or command them in the day that I brought them out of the land of Egypt concerning burnt offerings or sacrifices. Uthi uNkulunkulu mangikhipha okhokho benu azange ngabatshela, didn't command them to do sacrifices. I didn't command them to do what? I didn't command them to be burning offerings. Aqhubeke ke uNkulunkulu lapha ku-23 athi, but this is what I commanded them, saying, obey my voice, and I will be your God, and you shall be my people, and walk in all the ways that I have commanded you, that it may be well with you. Nayo ke inkululeko bese silindile thina izizukulwane zakwa-Israyeli, because of yonke lento yokushunqisa, yokubhena ama-offering, yokwenza ama-sacrifices. Those are the things esizifunde kubazali bethu. These izinto esizifunde kubazali bethu, but we look at ourselves, we are still stuck. Asiyiboni inqubekelo phambili, asiboni ukulunga. It's because of nabo bafundiswa omkhulu nabo. This is indigenous knowledge that has been passed down from one generation to the other. Let me continue. 24. Yet they did not obey or incline their ear, but followed the counsels and dictates of their evil hearts, and went backward and not forward. 25. Since the day that your fathers came out of the land of Egypt until this day, I have even sent you all my servants, the prophets, daily rising up early and sending them. Yet they did not obey me or incline their ear, but stiffened their neck. They did worse than their fathers. Therefore you shall speak all these words to them, but they will not obey you. You shall also call to them, but they will not answer you. Hallelujah. Uyibona ukuthi lento imoshayele inzulu lento yakwa-Israyeli bakwethu. Inzulu ngoba uNkulunkulu ukhuluma into eyenzakalayo ngisho kumanje ukuthi le esiyenzayo thina sindlulele nokhokho bethu. Ngoba number 1, God did not command them to do sacrifices or do burnt offerings. Number 2, God commanded them ukuthi ake ningilalele mangikhuluma, ngibe uNkulunkulu wenu, nizoba abantu bami. That's it. But because of inhliziyo zabo and whatever dictates that they had at that time, they listened to uBaal, which was a doctrine of agricultural prosperity. Abantu isidingo ukuthi ngifuna ukuba nomcebo, ngifuna ukuba wealthy, ngifuna ukuba ngoba uNkulunkulu wamandulo bekafuna ukuthi sibe abantu bakhe, aboNkulunkulu wethu, simcele asenzele, hayi ukuthi thina we busy harboring positions. Bekumele ukuthi asinike konke esikudingayo siphile kahle equally so. Kodwa into yamoshakala kuphi? Mandulo. Nalo-ke leli qiniso besilifuna, nayo-ke le nkululeko abantu abayidingayo. Phuma kulezi imfundiso zobabomkhulu bakho kuthi kumele ushunqise, kumele ukuthi usacrifice, kumele ukuthi ushunqise, kumele ukuthi usacrifice. Phuma kulezo imfundiso, suka kulezo imfundiso, imfundiso zikaBhali lezo. Suka ukuthi ubhizi uthela utshwala phansi, you are busy sacrificing, you're doing imfundiso zobaba omkhulu bethu lezo. That wena ozibiza i-African spirituality, ngoba uNkulunkulu into ayifunayo ukhuleke, ufast, uzile, akwambulele, akubonise ngempilo yakho. And uzokubonisa kanjani ngempilo yakho? Through your visions, imicabango zoba nayo, i-intuition yakho, because of ungaphakathi kuwena. So imagine when ubhizi uthelana notshwala lapha, uyasacrifice, wenza zonke lezi zinto lezi, you slow umoya oyingcwele down, you slow umoya oyingcwele down, because of umoya oyingcwele unnatural, ungaphakathi kuwena. Udinga uzile, udinga uthandaze, udinga ukuthi ungalokho busy nezinto zomhlaba, ulokho busy ungena uphuma ungena, because those things zomhlaba, they slow you down. So funda ukuthi kuonakale kuphi, yini le abantu abakudala abayenza. Ifunde. They turned their back against God. They thought God was external, but God is within us. 2, they didn't want to listen. They just followed inhliziyo zabo ukuthi bona they want more, they want gain, they want this. And buka ke manje kumoshakele, kuyabheda. Kanti uNkulunkulu uthini? Nina sizukulwane saka-Israyeli, guqukani, ngoba ngiyonithumeza ngothishela, ngiyonithumeza ngama-shepherds that will speak knowledge and understanding. Uma usuyazi le knowledge, uma usuwazi ukuthi kumoshakale kuphi, ngiyakutshela ushiya phansi. And uma usushiya phansi, ukhulekisa, ubreaka ama-generational curse ngawo umkhuleko, ngokomoya. Your people, your forefathers, they come straight to you and bow down and salute you to say, hey, thina besilokhu sibhizi, sibambekile kuleli jele, this bondage, but you broke those chains. You broke those chains. So cabang, how many people have came in your family before when, and when you are here to rewrite the script. Kuthi angeke sisalokolo sibhizi senzana nentewa nengananqubekelo phambili. Siya phambili ke manje, and njengoba siya phambili, we are going back to uNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli. Sizokhuleka, sizovula amadlebe wethu, sizofasta, sizolalela ukuthi uthini, then we follow, and then life becomes so peaceful. Life becomes so easy. Isekho lento ukuthi lo busy uyasacrifice, lo busy uthi yona uyahlaba wenzane, phuma lapho. Wabona amandla wakhe uNkulunkulu la alowolo ehleza ngaphakathi kuwena, dala lindile ukuthi asebenze. Manje ke isikhathi sokuthi asebenze.